Gas grill not getting hot. If your gas grill isn't getting as hot as it used to, it can be quite frustrating. There are several reasons this issue might happen, most of which have to do with the propane tank, line, or regulator. The longer you let the problem go on, the worse it can get. Fixing your gas grill is crucial if you want to get the most out of it. Why is your gas grill not getting hot enough? Your gas grill won't get hot enough due to blockages, low gas issues, malfunctioning burner knobs, or a broken regulator. The flame could also be disturbed by too much wind, a broken seal, or corrosion. Cover your grill when it's raining to prevent rust from causing irreparable damage. So, what should you do if your gas grill won't get hot? Use a stiff brush to scrub the debris away from the burners, grates, and other components. This should be done often to prevent rust, heat issues, and many other problems. Maintaining your grill is essential to ensure it lasts for several years rather than a couple of seasons. Always turn off the burners and propane tank regulator when you're done using the grill. There's no reason to leave a steady flow of gas going through the propane line if you're not using the grill. This common mistake can lead to regulator misreadings, preventing your gas grill from getting enough heat. Check your propane tank to make sure there's enough gas. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective ones. There needs to be enough propane to keep the flame roaring for a long time. If the flame starts to flicker or die, it means there's not enough propane left in the tank. How do you reset a regulator on a gas grill? To reset a regulator on a gas grill, try these instructions. Turn off all of the burner knobs on your grill. It's important to turn off the knobs to prevent the gas in the lines from flowing through when you're fixing the regulator. Shut the valve on the propane tank to stop the gas from flowing through the line. Turning off the valve tells the regulator that there shouldn't be any gas going through it. You should always leave the valve closed when you're not using a gas grill. Unscrew the propane regulator from the tank and wait for a minute. This step allows the gas to flow out of the line, so you should ensure you're in a well-ventilated area. Reinstall the propane regulator or add a new one if yours is broken. Tighten it and ensure the seal is closed. The line should already be connected to the grill, so this step requires you to connect it back to the tank. Turn on the burners to ignite the flames. Some manufacturers recommend specific steps for the first flame ignition after resetting the regulator. Look through the guidelines to check if you have to do anything extra. How do I make my gas grill hotter? To make your gas grill hotter, you should keep the lid closed as much as possible to trap the heat. Adjust the burner knobs to the correct temperature. Add grill bricks for better insulation. And don't forget to clean the grill regularly. Always let your grill get hot before adding food to the burners. According to do-it-yourself, you should keep the grill closed once you've lit the flame. Then let it heat up before adding the food. Everything that goes in the grill will absorb some of the heat. By waiting to put the food on the grill, you'll let the burners get as hot as possible. You could also wrap the food in tin foil to insulate it. Low-quality grills don't provide as much heat as high-end models. You might have to leave the grill on its highest setting to get a worthwhile flame roaring. Use a grill thermometer, such as the Rubbermaid stainless steel thermometer, to know when it's hot enough. This thermometer goes inside of a grill or oven to read the internal temperature around the clock.